In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add YouTube video into Klaviyo. To get started, make sure you are already in Klaviyo and you have the email you want to edit open. The method you will use is inside the drag and drop editor, which is where you can build the layout of your message using content blocks. Begin by opening your email template in the drag and drop editor. This is the workspace where you can see your email exactly as it will appear to subscribers. Take a moment to confirm you are editing the correct template, especially if you have multiple versions or similar names. If you are working inside a flow or campaign, open the specific email step and click into its template so your changes are applied to the right message. Next, look over to the sidebar where Klaviyo keeps the available content blocks. Find the video block. Then drag that video block from the sidebar and drop it into your email in the exact spot where you want the video preview to appear. As you drag, you will usually see a placement indicator that helps you position it between sections. For the cleanest layout, place it near related text, such as a short introduction above it or a call to action below it, so the video feels connected to the message. After you drop the block into place, the editing settings for that block will open. Now copy your YouTube video link, then paste your YouTube video URL into the field labeled Video URL. Make sure you paste the full URL so Klaviyo can recognize the video properly. Once it is in the Video URL field, the block should update to display a video thumbnail preview. At this point, quickly review the block in the email canvas to confirm it looks right and is positioned correctly. It is also a good habit to preview the email before sending, just to confirm the video preview appears as expected and the email still reads smoothly around it. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.